Stuck in a financial dead end? Real estate could be your escape tunnel. Imagine this. You're burdened with paychecks that barely cover your bills, while the luxury of financial freedom seems like a distant dream. Now picture this. You're the proud owner of a string of properties, each one offering you a steady stream of passive income. It's the dream, right? But is this just a mirage, or could it be your reality? The world of real estate investing promises a path paved with gold, but it's also filled with potential pitfalls. So let's delve into the question on everyone's mind. Is real estate the shortcut to fortune we've been told it is? Or is it a labyrinth of debt waiting to trap the unsuspecting investor? But is it a shortcut to fortune or a labyrinth of debt? Yes, real estate can unlock freedom, but only if you navigate the maze with smart strategies. Here's the thing about real estate. It's like a colossal jigsaw puzzle. Each piece represents a property, an investment opportunity, a chance to build wealth. But just as with any puzzle, the picture only comes together when the pieces are in the right place. And that's where strategy comes into play. Real estate investing isn't about buying a house and hoping for the best. It's about understanding the market, recognizing potential, and making informed decisions. It's about knowing when to buy, when to sell, and when to hold. It's about spotting the difference between a diamond in the rough and a money pit. This potential for building wealth through real estate is enormous, but it's not without its risks. Remember, with the potential for great reward comes the potential for significant risk. It's not a path to quick riches, but a journey that requires patience, knowledge, and a keen eye for opportunity. So yes, real estate can indeed unlock the doors to financial freedom. It can offer an escape from the dead end of living paycheck to paycheck. It can provide a steady stream of passive income, and ultimately it can build a fortune. But remember, this is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about building wealth over time. Only if you navigate the maze with smart strategies. There are low-cost entry points to the real estate market. Yes, you heard it right, it's not all about having a stack of cash to get started. A few smart strategies can unlock doors to the world of real estate. Let's dive in. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are a fantastic way to dip your toes in the property market. Think of them as the mutual funds of real estate. You buy shares in a company that owns and operates income-producing properties. The beauty of REITs? You can start with just a few dollars and still enjoy a slice of the rental income. Now let's talk about house hacking. Imagine living in a duplex, triplex, or even a fourplex, and having your tenants literally living next door. They're helping you pay off your mortgage. That's house hacking in a nutshell. It's a brilliant blend of smart investing and lifestyle design. And then there's creative financing, seller financing, lease options, partnerships. These are all ways to finance a property without having to go through traditional banks. It's about thinking outside the box to make property ownership a reality. But what about the earning potential? Well, let's consider different property types. Single-family homes, apartment complexes, commercial properties, they all come with their unique pros and cons. For instance, a single-family home might be easier to manage but might offer lower rental income compared to an apartment complex. To bring this to life, let's look at a real-life example. Meet John and Lisa, a young couple with a passion for real estate. They started with a small duplex, lived in one unit and rented out the other. Their tenant's rent covered their mortgage and even left them with a small profit each month. Over time, they were able to leverage their initial investment to buy more properties, scaling their rental portfolio. And that's the power of real estate. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about smart strategies, patience, and the willingness to learn. This young couple started small and scaled their rental portfolio. If John and Lisa can do it, so can you. Let's continue our journey through the real estate money maze. Smart strategies are key to building your real estate fortune. Think of it as a game of chess, where every move is a calculated step towards victory. When buying properties, it's all about location, timing, and negotiation skills. Dig into the details, understand the locale's growth prospects, and always negotiate with a win-win mindset. Owning properties isn't just about holding on to them, it's about adding value. Value-add renovations, for instance, can boost your property's worth and rental income. Think cosmetic upgrades, energy efficiency improvements, or even adding new amenities. Market analysis is another crucial aspect. Understanding market trends can help you buy low and sell high, further amplifying your gains. Now, onto the power of passive income. Nothing beats the financial freedom that comes from having multiple properties generating income for you. And the secret sauce? Automation. With automated rent collection, maintenance requests, and other property management tasks, you can earn while you sleep. Remember, automated systems and multiple properties are the keys to passive income. Real estate investing has its pitfalls. We've all heard the horror stories, right? Investors who got caught up in over-leveraging, who jumped into bad deals, or who found themselves at the mercy of a market crash. But these are not just cautionary tales, these are lessons in resilience and savvy investing. Take, for example, an investor who faced over-leveraging. He got swept up in the allure of quick returns and bit off more than he could chew. When the market turned, he was left with properties he couldn't afford, but did he give up? No, he strategized, renegotiated his debts, and slowly climbed out of the hole. Now he's more careful, more calculated. His experience, although tough, made him a smarter investor. Or consider the case of a couple who invested in what they thought was a gold mine deal, only to discover a host of hidden issues that turned it into a money pit. They could have thrown in the towel, but they didn't. They rolled up their sleeves, tackled the problems, and turned the property around. Today, they're thriving landlords. Their ordeal taught them the value of thorough inspections, of digging deeper, of not taking everything at face value. And let's not forget about those who've weathered market crashes. They've seen their investments plummet overnight, their hard work seemingly washed away. But they held on, weathered the storm, and when the market rebounded, they were ready to reap the rewards. They learned the importance of patience, of long-term thinking, of not panicking when things go south. These stories serve as reminders that real estate investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires diligence, patience, and above all, knowledge. This is where due diligence comes into play. It's about knowing the property inside out before you invest. It's about understanding the market trends, about thorough inspections, about not skipping on the homework. Remember, every property is a potential gold mine, but only if you know how to mine it. And that's where due diligence comes into play. So, before you dive into your next investment, take the time to research, inspect, and analyze. Due diligence is essential in avoiding costly pitfalls. Unlocking the door to success starts with finding gold deals. But where do you find these lucrative opportunities? Well, they are in a variety of places, from local real estate auctions to online marketplaces, from distressed property listings to good old-fashioned networking. The key is to dig deep, research thoroughly, and act quickly when you spot a diamond in the rough. Now, once you've secured a property, mastering its management is crucial. Tenant screening is the first step. A reliable tenant can be the difference between a steady cash flow and a financial sinkhole. Maintenance, too, is essential. Regular upkeep helps preserve your property's value and keeps tenants happy. But you don't have to do it all alone. Automation tools can streamline these tasks, freeing you to focus on growing your portfolio. So how do you get started? With a simple, actionable checklist. First, identify your investment goals. Are you aiming for quick cash or long-term growth? Next, educate yourself, read books, attend seminars, join real estate forums, then start small. Think of your first property as a learning experience, not a jackpot. Finally, be patient. Success in real estate doesn't happen overnight, but with diligence and strategy, it can be achieved. Download the checklist, subscribe for more, and join the community to start your journey in real estate investing.